Good morning, all the students of 4th standard. We are learning the third lesson of history. In that third lessons, we came up to the Bhosle family of Verur. See what is that? Krishneshwar temple, which was totally neglected by the people and the worst condition of that temple. But here, from the Bhosle family, we have seen that Maloji Raje Bhosle, he restored the temple, and once again, what the grandeur of the temple was lost, that grandeur was once again regained with the help of Maloji Raje. So now, Bhosle of Verur there, Maloji Raje Bhosle and he was a Patil of Verur. He was a great devotee of Lord Shiva. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verur, and along with that he was a great devotee of Lord Shiva, means doing worship all the time, puja, prayer of Lord Shiva's Mahadev's. Maloji Raje was the elder and Vithurji Raje was the younger. So Babaji Raje, initially if you see that Babaji Raje Bhosle had two sons. One is Maloji Raje and one is Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje, he was the elder one and Vithoji Raje was a younger one. And Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of Patil in the Verur village. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. These two brothers were very clever, brave, that they had in the service they had in their service many armed forces or the Marathas troops there or soldiers were. So these two brothers were very brave, and also along with that, in their side many brave Marathas soldiers were there in their army or in their battalion. It was a period of great unrest, and the 16th century. This period was very a period of great unrest there. Continuously there was a struggle or the warlike situation between the emperor, Mughal emperor or Adil Shah, Nizam Shah there. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Mughal emperor that from Delhi he attacked on the Nizam Shahi's kingdom there. Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shah's that. Daulatabad, this city, or Daulatabad, there is fort is also there. So Daulatabad was the capital of Nizam Shahi's kingdom, and Malik Ambar was the chief wazir of Nizam Shah. Nizam Shahi's kingdom was there in the Maratha regions. Their headquarters, capital was Daulatabad, and Malik Ambar, he was their chief wazir or the head person of the army. Malik Ambar was able and wise. So their head person or the Malik Ambar, chief wazir, he was able, and also along with that he was a wise and clever person, that the two capable and brave brothers from the Verur soon caught his attention. So Malik Ambar, he came to know about these two brothers, Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje Bhosle that. So Malik Ambar's attention caught by these two brothers that, and basically if you say that Malik Ambar, he was a wise and clever person, so he saw toward them that he got to know that these two brothers were very clever or brave that. On his recommendation, the Shah confirmed Maloji Raje the Jahagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. So Malik Ambar, he told to the Nizam Shah that, and with his confirmations, with his suggestions, Nizam Shah confirmed title or he confirmed Jahagir of Pune and Supe Pargana to the Maloji Raje. So in this way Maloji Raje got the Jahagir from the Pune region then. So the Bhosle became rich and powerful. So in this way Bhosle family became the one of rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkar of Palthandar. So Maloji Raje's wife, she was her name was Umabai, and she was belonging from the Nimbalkar family of Palthandar. They had the two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. So Maloji Raje had two sons, one is Shahaji and one is Sharifji. Shahaji is the father of Shivaji there. Maloji Raje was killed in the battle at Indapur that. So during the battlefield, Maloji Raje, he was killed. His two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji, were remained. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old that. Umabai She was the wife of Maloji Raje. Maloji Raje was killed in the battlefield, and after the death of Shahaji Misa, Maloji Raje, at the death of Maloji Raje, Shahaji Raje was only 5 years old then. Then the Vithoji Raje looked after the children and Jahangir this. Vithoji Raje means uncle of Shahaji Raje. He looked after the children also, along with that he looked after the Jahangir. Later he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lokhoji Rao Jadhav. Later on, afterward that, Shahaji Raje married with the daughter of Lokhoji Rao Jadhav. That Jijabai, the daughter of Lokhoji Rao Jadhav, was well favored by God. That and Jijabai, she was the daughter of Lokhoji Rao Jadhav. That she was well favored in the God that Lokhoji Rao accepted the Vithoji Raje's proposal that Shahaji Raje's uncle, he accepted the proposal of Shahaji Raje's marriage that with Jijabai, and she was belonging from that Lokhoji Rao Jadhav's family. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with a great pomp. So in this way, they celebrated the both wedding this of the marriage, and Jijabai in this way she became the fortunate of the Bhosle family. So this is the information about the Bhosle affair. So when we come tomorrow, we will come with the last one point, that is Shahaji Raje.